Hello guys, this is Priyanka Sharma. Today I will show you how to change the background image of our any photo. So first we will open any browser on our PC. Then I will write in the search bar above remove.pg. So this page will be opened and click on this download image option because I will take an image from the gallery and upload it here. Choose it as your image. So this is that the background of our image has been changed. Now we can change the background behind the image by clicking on the edit option above the image. So guys, from here we can change the background image as per our choice. So if you click on the download option, our image will be downloaded. Look it, image has been downloaded. So thank you. This is how can you change the background of your image.